Hello, today we are going to do a super cute pink look from the Sweet Tea 35T palette. It is from Morphe, obviously. So my favorite color in here right now is the Sugar Me and the Talking Glitz here. So I'll probably incorporate those, definitely. So I'm going to use my finger on the Sugar Me. I'm going to go on the inside here. And we're going to go on the other side. I love this shade, and it works great with green eyes and brown eyes. Especially green though, because red is an opposite color to green, so it will really draw it out. And the pink is obviously a shade of red. Awesome. So that is nice. Then I'm going to use, not that brush. Lovely. This little brush right here, and I'm going to dip it in the Talking Glitz here. We'll just do the edge and kind of bring it in. Lovely. Other side. Lovely. And now I'm going to put on some white eyeliner. I love to use the white eyeliner with the pink. I think it is super, super cute. There it is. So I have my Sephora liquid white liner. Love it. Super cute. And I'm just going to go real light. Lovely. Other side. Awesome. Perfect. I gotta fix it over here and match it up. Is liquid eyeliner ever hard to use? But at least it's fun. Lovely. And then we're going to have to bring that in over a bit. Otherwise it's not going to work. Much better. Much better. All right. Now we're going to put on some mascara. It's the One Size Vanisize. I'm going to pause and put that on. There it is with the mascara. And now I'm going to finish the look off with my Sephora lip liner and the little Dior little sample I got. So that's cool. Lovely. I really like this stuff. I like the color a lot. It's very cute. And there we go. A few minutes that'll be plumping and it'll be really nice. And that is the look. Very quick, very easy. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.